welcome back to my channel and YouTube Diaries. Today's video is actually dedicated to my dad because tomorrow is Father's Day and I really wanted to surprise him with a quick and simple recipe. But you must be thinking, what am I describing? It's simple, it's easy, and all dads will love it? Of course you know what I'm talking about. Mac and cheese! Oh, but wait! Before we start cooking, I hope you've seen all my previous videos and I also hope that you enjoyed it and wrote comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. These ingredients are pasta, and I took a smaller pasta because I need to cook it in the microwave. And what is a pasta without some cheese? So over here I have some cheddar cheese. Also we have cornstarch to thicken the pasta, some salt and pepper for taste, milk to get that rich and creamy flavor, and water just to boil the pasta. To cook the pasta, I'm now going to put water for it to boil, just to the level of it. I'm now going to put this in the microwave oven for 2 to 3 minutes, and then once we take it out, it should hopefully be soft, and after that we're going to drain the water. I have now taken the pasta out of the microwave and I've drained out the extra water. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So first I'm going to pour the milk in. So just pour it in there. And now I'm going to put all the cornstarch inside. After that, I'm going to add the cheddar cheese. Just to get that, cheesy texture, For flavor, now I'm going to add the pepper and then the salt. Yeah. Now I'm going to give it a good mix, just to get all the ingredients together. And now that I've mixed it properly, I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now that the pasta has cooked and it's transferred into the bowl, I'm going to decorate it with some bacon and chives. So, just gonna take the bacon, sprinkle it around. This looks already so appetizing. I'm just like, what's the point of decorating it? So, it's ready to eat and I'm gonna give it to my dad. But first, I need to taste test it so I make sure that everything is perfect. I'm sure my dad will love this. Oh, and my dad's gonna watch this video too, right? So, I'm just gonna say a lovely poem to him. Roses are red, violets are blue. You love me, Dad, and I love you too. We have come to an end of today's video, and I'm pretty sure that my dad will love this recipe. And like I said, it's hassle-free and you don't need to disturb anybody. But before I stop recording, I have one last thing to say to you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. Till then, signing off and YouTube Diaries. Bye!